Hello guys, so welcome once again to this channel. If today is your first time watching my video, you're welcome once again to iTech and do well to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I drop a new video. So today's video is for a teacher and your dream is to relocate to USA to teach there. This is the best video that you need to watch. In this video, I'm going to take you through this group, which is International Alliance Group. This is an recruitment agency. And the good thing is that if you submit your application through these agencies, you are not going to pay anything. This is J1 visa application. They are going to give you sponsorship for this visa, and you are going to teach in the United States. Okay. Now, before you can apply through this group, there are four things that you need to have, four basic requirements before you can start your application with this group. Okay, so I'll take you through their website, and as you can see here, there are lots of jobs that they have listed on their site here. There are lots of jobs here. They are looking for early classroom teacher, science teachers, language teachers, special education teachers, and lots of them. Now, let me take you through the requirements. What are some of the things that you need to have before you can submit your application? Okay. Now, the first thing that you need to have is your passport. Okay, because during your application, you will be asked to provide your passport number. Okay, so you need to provide that when you get to the J1 visa compliance, and then the last one, which is where you are going to attach your file, you will be required to provide your passport number. Okay, and then another thing that you need to have bachelor's degree. You must be a bachelor degree holder, whether you are in basic education or in SHS. You qualify to apply for this position. Passport, your bachelor's degree, and you must be in the teaching service for the past 2 years now. You should be in the teaching service, and currently you should be a teacher before you are able to apply for this opportunity. The next thing, these two things are very hard to get. First one, you need an international body. They have stated here that they need these international bodies to evaluate your certificate. Okay, so you have to evaluate your certificate before you can apply to this agency. So they have listed some international agencies that you have to submit your certificate to them for them to evaluate it for you. Then, when you are done, you also need your TOEFL. You need to write your TOEFL exams and pass. And if you have all these requirements that I have stated, then you are good to submit your application to this company. And the good thing is that they are giving you visa sponsorship. This is J1 visa. This is United States. So if you have all these requirements, just check the description of this video and submit your application to this company. Thank you for watching this video. See you